So that give us the high probability of counter opportunity. And if you look ahead, the price developed a bearish engulfing candle, then we had a nice, beautiful short trade and squeeze amazing profit. Now, let me share with you how. Hello today. Today is the 16th of September, Tuesday, 2025. What an amazing day, guys. Amazing trade. Today we're still seeing weaknesses on the dollar, and all the major against the dollar was bullishness. Despite we had a too high impact news for the dollar, that is the core retail sales month by month was expected 0.4 was 0.7%, which is positive. We had a retail sales month by month was expected 0.2%, but the actual data was 0.6%, which is a positive. But still, we have seen weaknesses on the dollar, even in the New York session and the London morning session. We also had a quite high impact news for CAD. That's a CPI data, and the data was mixed, but still CAD was strong against the dollar. Let me share with you guys how we analyze based on this fundamental and through intraday analysis and through high time frame analysis and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis. If you look at the pound dollar, guys, and if you're following my analysis, we've been long here. So as a pretty straightforward, as always mentioned, when the price break previous high, so we were expecting this confirmation, so price developer confirmation. So we've been basically keep enjoying pullback long here, even the price nicely broken this one at the Asian session. So let me share with you the analysis we did in intraday. We had this beautiful long trade here. That's the Okay, before that, we had this one trade here. This is the Asian session analysis, symmetry triangle pattern. We were looking this breakout. Price nicely developed a pullback here in intraday. As you can see here, price nicely broken. And when the price broke on the previous high, we did another analysis and explained our trader just keep taking any pullback would consider high probability trade. As you can see here, pullback breakout, amazing trade. Even after that, we had another beautiful price nicely pretty straightforward. Our bias was long, we have impulsive, we have this correction and looking for one push. Beautiful. That's the long trade we had. And then last trade we had it, that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see, as soon as the price reversed at this area, as soon as the price broke on this previous low, as explained, if the price kind of break short, break long here, price nicely basically develop another push. This is the last trade we had it, squeeze amazing profit on pound dollar. So if you look at the Euro USD, Euro USD was the euro was a strong against the dollar. We had amazing trade, and if you are following my YouTube analysis, we've been long here. So pretty straightforward. Price nicely broke on the previous high, and retest give us the information that the price nicely broke on the previous, again the recent high, and then we will keep enjoying pullback long trade here, squeeze amazing profit. So if you look ahead, this was the pretty straightforward. This was the Asian session, sideways market breakout, squeeze amazing profit. Then we did another analysis at the European Open, as mentioned to my trader. Just keep taking a pullback. So we have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, squeeze amazing profit. And at the New York session, we had this amazing trade, guys. Pretty straightforward. That was the one nice big push. And based on the intraday analysis, based on the momentum, most of the traders squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. Beautiful trade. Another beautiful trade we had, that was the pound yen. Let me share with you guys here. If you look at the pound yen, guys, we had amazing trade on pound yen. This is 1 hour chart. So we had first we had this beautiful break and give us the confirmation. This is a long trade here in London morning session. Beautiful. And if you look at here, the price pound yen failed to respect all these recent highs. So that give us the high probability of counter opportunity. And if you look ahead, the price developed a bearish engulfing candle, then we had a nice, beautiful short trade and squeeze amazing profit. Now, let me share with you how we first trade we had. This was the pretty straightforward. As you can see, a London morning, we had a nice, beautiful breakout and beautiful long trade, squeeze amazing profit. And at the New York session, we were expecting some price action at the resistance level. As you can see here, the price nicely broken and failed to stay above this previous high, and beautiful. And then afterward, we had another beautiful, short trade, pullback short trade on pound yen. As you can see, what a nice and beautiful short trade on pound yen. So if you look at the dollar CAD, even we had a high impact news for the dollar CAD CPI and trim CPI and common CPI. All these data being released, more or less, most of the data was positive. Only one data CPI month by month was negative, which expected 0.0%, but the actual data was minus 0.1%. Despite that, we had bearishness on dollar. So we've been short from yesterday, and let me share with you guys. This was the analysis we did yesterday. Beautiful short trade squeeze, amazing profit. And today, as mentioned to my trader, just keep taking any pullback. Would consider high probability trade. And if you look at the momentum was bearish, so any pullback we announced short trade here and squeeze amazing profit. So most of the traders really enjoy today, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it and you can enjoy more when you see it, all that analysis and explanation in real time. So, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.